What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm honestly gonna say this right now, I didn't think I would be recording today, but we're already in here, so let's get to it. As y'all know, we got the tires for the Ferradas. I have yet not put them on, and that was because I was waiting to get tires for the front. You can have all four shoes looking the same, but I think I waited a little too long to get those tires, but we're gonna get that done today. Just because, quick story time, I was riding through the freeway after I dropped off my girl at work, and I heard something slap in the car, right? And I was like, what is that slap? And I honestly thought my tire popped, but I got down and the tire didn't pop. But this is what's going on, bro. Yeah, that is not good. Apparently the tire, a piece of the tire was slapping on the car, on the inside of it, as you can see, and it hit the bolt on top for our upper control arm, and I got scared, bro. So on today's video, so on today's video, we're gonna be replacing these tires because this is not good. Dude, that is crazy. I know I had a bad alignment, I just didn't think it was that bad. And not only that, guys, but what side is it in? What side did I put it in? This side. On my last video, y'all can also see that my truck went down. And when I say that the truck went down, I don't mean like it went down, but the truck stopped working, and I believe that is because of this. So today we're gonna go and test this one out. I was trying to order one, a bigger alternator, because I know I'm gonna need it down the road. I haven't drove the truck in a long time, and we've been daily in the car, so it's time to put this baby to rest. With all that being said, we're gonna go set up everything, go get some tires. I'm gonna go change real quick because I know that I'm gonna get a little dirty. All right, guys, as y'all can see, we're already at the tire shop. I did find a set of Pirellis at a good price, $140. Got these knocked out at the house, put these on myself. I was like, well, I can't fit all four in the trunk. I barely was able to fit the two front ones, and I was like, well, if we remove all four, they ain't gonna fit in here, buddy. They already got these loosened up for you, boy, so I guess we'll take them out. The issue with these is, of course, in alignment. They tend to winch more on one side, and this one is bad, but it's not as bad as the other side, which we're gonna see right now. So yeah, this one is fucked, bro. This is what was slapping on the inner fender earlier when I was driving. I think that's what messed up this thing right now. But we got it fixed up. This little pen was crooked. But dude, that is crazy. I'm not gonna lie to you, I noticed the noise when I was on my way to drop my girl off, but I didn't want to say nothing because I didn't want to worry her. I was like, damn, bro, if you don't have an alignment, get that shit checked out, because it will eat up your tires from one side for no reason. So it's crazy how we're gonna have Pirellis in the front and we're gonna have, what the fuck brand this is, in the back, which it should be opposite, bro. But it's all good, man. It's not like we be doing crazy shit with this car anyways. It's just a daily. Pulling up to the alignment shop, boys. I actually come here a lot. Not a lot, but I come here when I do need an alignment. They're always the hookup for me, man. Until I can find a better alignment shop, let me know. Let's go see what they say. And just like that, we're getting ready to put it up on the lift. But first, they need to put some 2x4s in the bottom, because we have this issue all the time where the car doesn't go up because it's too low. But yeah, we're gonna get that knocked out real quick, and I'm gonna probably walk to the store, get me something to drink. So basically, when I put up here, I had already asked them if they, you know, they were gonna do the alignment. They said yeah, but it was gonna be an hour wait. So I actually left, and I'm just back now. I went to go knock out the alternator thing at AutoZone. Apparently it is dead. So yeah, we're gonna be doing that. I still don't know if I'm gonna sell the truck. I don't know if I want to put a big alternator. I'll just go with the stock one and just sell it. I'm gonna think that through real quick, and if I decide to keep it, I guess I'll just go pick up the alternator, pop it on, and we should be good to go. All right, guys, So we are back where we left off Sally. She has been grabbing a lot of pollen lately. It is pollen season, so it's understandable. Just to get y'all caught up, we got the alternator from AutoZone. I still don't know if I want to sell the truck or not, but if I do sell it, I wanted to go with a new alternator, of course. If I do decide to put more moss to it, then I'll just get a bigger alternator with more amps on it. We're gonna just be installing this real quick, turning her on, and hopefully she's good to go. Oh, and not only are we putting a new alternator, we got a new belt just cause this other one is a little crusty. Let's get up in here. I'll show you later, but it is crusty. New what do they call this? A Banda. We call this Banda in Spanish. We call this a V belt. So we got a new V belt. I'll go on and put the alternator real quick and put that V belt, the Banda. We're gonna get that knocked out, and I'll be seeing y'all right now. So just like that, we got that alternator inside already, my man. We got it all bolted up. Now we're moving on to the next step, which is gonna be, of course, the V belt. As you can see here, it was cracking up already. So I already measured it same size before you go on and put it on. Make sure it's the same one, because then you're gonna be trying to figure out why it's not, you know, budging in. Real quick, I think any vehicle has it. If you ever do remove the V belt or try to replace it, you got of course the adjustments of, you know, the V belt. You got diesel, V8 engine, V8 engine, different engines, I guess, different V8s. But we're gonna go ahead and copy this thing real quick, slap this back on there, and we should be good to go. So let's, you know, just slap it back on there, and we're all done. So 15-20 minutes later, we got an alternator in, and we got the V belt back in there, of course, a brand new one, aka La Banda. So it's real fast and simple, guys. It's not a big headache. So if you have a 534860 9906 or Gen 2, which this is Gen 2 53, if you're gonna do the V belt, guys, it's just fast, like I said. So what you do is crankshaft tensioner under the idler, you go over the alternator, under the power steering, over the water pump, which is of course that black one you see right there, and then I wonder how long he cold starts his car for. Okay, noise is gone. Like I was saying, simple, man. Crankshaft tensioner under the idler, over the alternator, under the power steering, then you go over the water pump, which is that one, of course, like I said, and then you go under, which is the one on the bottom, zigzag S under the crank. So that's that. We're gonna go and try to see if we can get this thing started. I am gonna pass some cables on it because of course it killed the battery, and hopefully it turns on. So let's check it out, guys. Stick around. So quick moment of truth, guys. Let's see if this thing turns on. Hopefully it does. It looks like everything's all good. It's probably just really dead. 14 volts. Let's go. Change engine oil. Okay. Everything seems to be back intact. There's one more thing. Let's find out if it's gonna turn off on us. And let's go see what volts we got. And it stayed at 14. That is fucking sick. Looked like it was going down. Baby, are you down? Looks like we're all good, dude. I'm gonna go ahead and put all this up real quick, and my guys, I will be right with you. Just like that, she's back up and running. We got both of these cars back to what they were supposed to be. The Charger, of course, we got the wheels back on it. As you can see, that thing is looking nice, dude. That thing needs a wash. New alternator. We got that belt put on it. We got a new battery. Shoot, we got the AC floor, and it feels good in here, bro. Battery's back to where it's supposed to be at. And just like that, guys, we are done with today's video. I appreciate everybody for tuning in. Please drop a like, drop a comment down below, subscribe to your boy,